Ellie, no smelly. Don't look at my belly. I hear what I tell you.
Give me some jelly.
I'm not buying what you selly.
Give me all your pork belly. Hey, Ellie and Naya. Let's find the future of the doll. And now we're doing Don't Choose the Wrong Gumball Machine. Gumball.
Now you sound like you have Don't Choose the Wrong Hairball in my throat. As you can see, we have lots of different gumball machines. And in each gumball machine, you don't know whether you're going to get a slime ingredient or actual gumballs. Please make sure right now, pause this video, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell. This is a new channel. You need to be checking this one out. Now, let's get started. Rock, paper, scissors, let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ooh!
I knew she was gonna do it!
It looks like Team Little Sister, which is Ellie, goes first. And throughout this video, you gotta let us know whose team are you repping. Are you hashtag Team Little Sister or hashtag Team Big Sister?
Since I'm sick, please give me 5 stars for this. Because I feel like I'm a plebby for the. Tell me down in the comments, do you kind of feel like a food try today? Because I do.
Get your number there, dearie.
I think I got 5, guys.
You don't even know. You haven't even seen your number.
Oh, wait, yeah, I got 5.
Let me see. No, you didn't.
11.
Okay, so she has number 11. Number 11. Ooh, this is kind of almost Christmassy because it's red and white. Are you excited, Ellie? Mm-hmm. All right, here you go.
I'm like a little Lucy.
Okay, so open the top part. Okay. Oh, okay.
Wow.
So
How do you do this?
Wait, so what are you gonna flip it over? All right, and we're gonna cut it off and see what you have.
Oh, that
Oh, she had.
It feels like a baby.
You got white glue.
So it was white on the outside and white inside.
Here you go, Team Big Sister. Oh. Are you cheating?
Number 4. It's right here.
Whoa! Ooh! I know. Are you happy because of these colors?
Yeah, but it doesn't matter what it is on the outside. It may not be on the outside.
Okay, so here you go. All right, flip it over. Uh-oh, did it come out?
No, it didn't.
All right, let's see. Let's see. Oh, I think I see what's in here. Here you go.
Wait, no. I want to do something special. Look.
You have purple pearl ones, guys. So this is what she has.
I feel like all of the blue.
All right,
I get
so Ellie,
no blue
here
in
you
this
go.
challenge.
Team Little Sister. Guys, are you? Who are you for? Have you let us know yet?
13.
13. Let me see that number. Number 13. Yellow and green. Your favorite, Ellie?
I don't know.
Aren't these your favorite colors?
He likes yellow, boy.
So you want to twist it like that and pull it. So pull this down for me at the bottom. Pull it as hard as you can. Pull, pull, pull.
Oh, yay! Pig, my favorite. Come on. Mommy, look at this beautiful.
And if you guys are wondering why I have a balloon in there, it was too hard. I was trying to trick them so they wouldn't see everything. But take a look. Ellie has pink pearl gumballs. Team Big Sister.
10.
Let me take your number. All right, number 10. Ooh, this one kind of looks like a spider egg sack. That looks gross. All right.
But it's really pretty colors, though.
Really pretty colors. All right, you want to open that one?
Ellie would have been so happy if she got this. Wait, can you use the machine? What are these?
Here, you want to shake it
I
out?
have no glue,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
I don't know how this is gonna be slime. This slime has to have glue.
Naya, these are actually chocolate pearl gumballs.
How does it taste like?
All right, Ellie, Team Little Sister. 16. All right, let me see. That's not 16. That's 12.
Mommy.
It's 12, Ellie.
Mommy.
So here you go. You have to. Oh, I hear a sound. Ellie, I don't think you have glue. Now keep in mind, guys, we are going to put a gallon of clear glue in this when we're done.
Otherwise, I'm.
All right, flip it over, Ellie. Pull it.
favorite color.
All right, who's next?
Naya.
Naya. Team Naya?
Naya on fire. Naya. And then you say, Naya, fire. It's like a bit.
All right, I'll take.
16, bro.
Oh, so she actually got 16. Looks like Naya has the pink. Guys, what do you think Naya has in her gumball machine? Can you take any guess as to what this is?
It's glitter.
All right, here we go.
Mom, what is spilled everywhere? That would clean something up again.
Guys, the other day, Ellie spilled slime all over the walls and floor. It was the worst.
And it's still on the wall.
It's still on the wall. All right, Ellie, your turn.
And I got Go Gumball. I don't know about Go Gumball, but okay. So I got B. I got
B, like bingo?
yeah.
All right, I'll take your number.
Bingo,
She has a 9. So let's find number 9. Here you go. Ellie, your favorite colors, blue and orange.
I do not like blue and orange.
That is your favorite color. I said it. I'm
No,
kidding.
you don't.
Stretch it down towards there so it doesn't shoot you in the face. All right, and there we go. There you go. All right, next on the docket is Team Big Sister.
Naya quick. 3.
Let me have your number. And number 3 is this white and pink one.
Ellie's so jealous.
Ellie, are you jealous? Is
No.
she clean? She says you're jealous.
No, I'm not. She's going to walk.
All right, here you go.
What's that brown gumball?
All right, why don't you stretch that down as hard as possible? So we had a little bit of a mishap. But I'm going to hold these from now on because Naya they don't need help it. Pull it as hard as possible, Naya.
Wait, no, you still go-gos.
There's some gold glitter on it, but look at that silver gumball.
And I got gold gumbals.
Yep.
Sweet cuties, big bikini. This is just like an orange red or something. I got 50.
Okay. Purple and blue.
That's
Here, I'll open
the
it.
color.
All right, you wanna hold it? Pull it, pull it, pull it. Oh, dude! Oh, this is gross. Look at my scissors. Go ahead and pick your number.
Okay, guys, I got number 6. No, number 7. I get it. Number 7 with the dollar tray.
Guys, Naya got number 7 with the dotted tray. That means Ellie gets to automatically pick hers, and Naya gets to choose whether she wants to keep hers or trade with Ellie. Ellie, are you ready?
Yep.
All right, Ellie, pick yours. What number did you get?
8.
Number 8. Okay, so
What if she got number 8 with the dollar tray?
That'd be funny. So this is Naya's number 7. This is Ellie's number 8. Let's shake them.
Oh, I'm scared what's in the orange.
Naya, do you want to keep yours or trade with Ellie?
Wait.
Oh, okay,
It
so
looks pretty on the
Naya
outside.
is going to take this orange one and red one. She is trading for Ellie's.
Oh, this is
you
gonna-
want to pull that down? Here we go, guys. What do you think she has?
Oh no, it's scary!
Ooh!
Well, that's scary.
All right, you want to pull it again? That was scary. All right, pull it, pull it, pull it.
Oh, that's right. I traded.
She got pink iridescent glitter. Ellie, are you looking a little angry?
What if I got aqua?
So
Oh,
now,
look at me.
Ellie's is going to open Naya's that she traded for. Yep, pull it hard, pull it hard. Ooh! You got bright neon yellow.
Ooh,
Blue.
pretty. I want to get glitter.
Ew! Okay, so next up we have Team Naya again.
Guys, I'm so sad. I hate challenges. No, I got number 6.
Number who?
6.
6?
What is the dollar tree again?
This is number 6.
Ooh,
You got
this is
red, pink, and he's missing his hat. I don't know
Because
why.
I took the hat off.
Did you take the hat off just now?
Yeah.
All right, you up? Wait, you guys got me holding the thing now in case it's violent.
Scale.
All right, I'm gonna cut it all up in here.
Oh, yay! I'm so excited.
Now you got the gumball. Let me show you guys a close-up look at this. There is Naya's Let's see if I can get it to focus. Naya's blue gumball. Okay, now Ellie, you pick your number for us. What do you get?
One of Dollar Trade.
With dot of trade? There is no dot of trade.
Oh, I was scared. I was like, no.
Ooh, your color pink. I don't know about the green, but you do have pink. Let's take a listen. I don't hear anything. Let's see what you have.
It's blue.
Pull that from
Just
can you pull that part? All right. Pinch it up here.
Yeah!
There you go. Good job. Good job. Let's give Ellie a napkin.
What?
Ellie, no smelly. Don't look at my belly. I hear what I tell you.
Give me some jelly.
I'm not buying what you selly.
Give me all your pork belly.
There you go, Naya. Team Big Sister.
Got some
Wait,
pork
yeah,
belly.
Team Big Sister. All right.
2.
Number 2, orange and yellow. Let's give it a shake. Shake.
Here, no size.
All right, be careful.
It's liquid.
It's a light lavender glue. This is the final round, and you guys know our final round is a trade round. Ellie, pick a number. Don't open it. Naya, pick a number. Don't open it. On the count of 3, open your number. Tell us what you have.
14. 5.
14 and 5, and look at this. These look really similar. This one has like a lavender.
It looks like, look.
Yeah, this one has a lavender one, and this has pink, which they both have those colored glues in their thing. Now,
they're both blue.
so now Naya has this one, and Ellie has this one. All right, rock, paper, scissors, let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ellie, you are the queen of rock, paper, scissors today. Will you be taking Naya's or keeping yours?
I want Naya.
She wants Naya. We're going to open hers first. Remember, vote for Team Big Sister
and Team Little Sister. Team Little Sister so cute. What in the world? This is unfair. Vote for the teams. Did you vote? Did you vote?
Okay. These scissors are like glued together now.
Oh, Ellie, that wasn't really what you wanted.
Ah! All right, you want to hold that?
Give me your laugh.
All right.
Yellow.
Watch your finger.
I think I got something better than Ellie did.
All right, shake it out, guys. She looks like she got the multicolored gumballs.
She sounds like
So, Team Little Sister, Team Ellie, this is what you're working with so far. Take a look at that before we put our clear glue in it. Team Big Sister, this is you so far before we put our glue in. Let us know whose team are you repping. Who do you think has the better slime base? All right, so I'm going to pour some glue into Naya's
pour
first.
that glue, flu. Give me all your money too.
We gotta get it. We gotta get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna win. Ellie, yours looks like a cool tie-dye. It looks like Candyland, doesn't it?
What about me?
Yours looks like, you know who yours is like? Fancy Princess slime.
Naya, are you not supposed to have your hands in the bed?
All right, so I'm gonna put some activator in Naya.
It looks like
Some activator into Ellie's. All right, ladies, on the count of 3, start stirring. 1, 2, 3. You guys leave a comment. Whose slime will reign supreme?
Wait, mine is like rainbow.
Yours is rainbow. Keep that butter turning.
Ellie's
Oh,
mixing.
the color's coming off the gumballs. Look. The gumballs are turning into like white egg sacs.
Mom, that sounds disgusting. Please stop.
All right, Ellie's mixing with those hands. It's ice cold. Is it ice cold?
Oh. Touch it, Mommy.
I told her it was cold. It was in the garage.
Yeah, this is kind of cool. It needs a little hotness to it. Yeah, put hot water in this. I need hot water.
No, the tide is cold too because it was in the garage.
Yeah, it's really cold. I thought it was cold.
So here's our final slime. It's a little cold and
Yes,
we're waiting
it's
for it
very
to set up, but
cold.
Ellie's not feeling that good, so we're just gonna go with it as is. Now, you want to give us a little stretch of yours? It's
Yeah,
not-
you want me to use my hands?
Yeah, use your hands and let's stretch it out and see what it looks like. Ooh, there it is.
I can't
guys.
press it very high, guys, because
There's lots of glitter in it.
Because it hasn't set properly.
Yeah, it has to set a little bit longer, but I think you guys get the drift of what it is. You want to get a big glob and
I'm
stretch
trying
it.
to do it. It's so cold.
It is so cold.
This
We
is
gotta
called
get one.
ice cream slime.
I know. This is like super cold. We got to get this warmed up. Whoa. Good job.
Yeah.
Oh, let's see Ellie's.
Is it gonna lock?
Ellie, you want to stretch yours?
So mine's just a little like.
You want to grab a big ball and stretch it up big.
Ellie's looks like the Grinch kinda.
It does look like the Grinch candy Grinch.
Yeah.
Like the Grinch.
The Grinch is all the candy. Guys, this looks like from Ghostbusters slime ball.
Yeah, you want to come on, Ellie? Let's get a big. No, bigger than that. Grab the whole thing. Oh, she did a good one. That was a good one.
Yep.
Now you look like a ghost just now, but look at all those sparkles she has in her.
Oh,
It's so cool.
I'm just watching it.
That's it for this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and subscribe to 9 Ellie Toy Show. We will see you guys later.
This slime's colder than outside. Bye, guys. Have a good Go Slimer day.